beyond the bank account, the need for strategy in land acquisition. In this heated market, money alone won't cut it. A crossroads for real estate. Why 2025 matters. The year 2025 marks a pivotal moment in the world of real estate. We are at a crossroads. Global trends are converging, creating both challenges and opportunities for those seeking to invest in land. Understanding these forces is crucial. Your decisions today will shape your financial future. This isn't just about houses or apartments. This is about the most fundamental asset, land. It's finite. They're not making more of it. And right now, demand is skyrocketing. Why? Because the world is changing faster than ever. Demographics are shifting. Climate change is rearranging the map. Globalization, as we know it, is in retreat. These forces are driving up the value of land in ways we haven't seen in generations. This isn't a time for speculation or get-rich-quick schemes. This is a time for strategy, for diligence, for understanding the fundamentals of what makes land valuable. This is about securing your piece of the future. The global land grab drivers of rising prices. Across the world, land prices are soaring. This isn't limited to a single country or continent. It's a global phenomenon, and it's driven by a confluence of powerful forces. First, inflation is rearing its ugly head. Central banks are printing money like it's going out of style. That devalues currencies. People are looking for hard assets to protect their wealth, and land has always been the ultimate safe haven. Second, demographics are changing. Populations are booming in some parts of the world, putting a strain on existing infrastructure and driving up demand for housing and development. At the same time, climate change is making some areas less habitable, pushing people inland and northward, further increasing competition for desirable land. The old rules of globalization are breaking down. Supply chains are shortening. Countries are prioritizing domestic production. This means that proximity to markets, resources, and skilled labor is more important than ever. Land that checks these boxes is becoming increasingly valuable. Simply having a fat wallet won't guarantee you a good deal. In fact, it might make you a target for unscrupulous actors. What you need is a strategy. Think of it like chess, not checkers. You need to be thinking several moves ahead. What are the long-term trends shaping the value of land in your target area? What are the potential risks and rewards? And most importantly, how does this particular piece of land fit into your overall investment strategy? Don't fall into the trap of chasing the latest hot market. What goes up can also come down. You need to be able to differentiate between short-term speculation and long-term value. That requires research, patience, and a clear understanding of your investment goals. Due diligence essentials, unveiling the hidden value of land. Before you even think about making an offer, you need to do your homework. Land isn't like buying a stock or bond, where all the information is readily available. You need to dig deeper. Start with the demographics. Is the population in your target area growing or shrinking? What's the age distribution? What are the income levels? These factors will have a huge impact on the demand for housing, commercial real estate, and other types of development. Next, look at infrastructure. Are there good roads, schools, hospitals, and other amenities nearby? Is there potential for future development? What about access to water, electricity, and the internet? These factors can make or break the value of your investment. Finally, don't underestimate the impact of climate change. Is the land you're considering at risk of flooding, drought, wildfires, or other natural disasters? These risks are becoming increasingly important and can have a devastating impact on property values. Unearthing hidden gems, navigating the off-market terrain. In a competitive market, finding the best deals often means looking beyond the obvious. That means venturing into the world of off-market properties. These are properties that aren't publicly listed for sale but may be available to the right buyer. Networking is key here. Talk to local real estate agents, developers, and other investors. Let them know what you're looking for. Attend industry events and auctions. You never know where you might find that hidden gem. Another strategy is to approach landowners directly. This can be particularly effective in rural areas or for larger parcels of land. Many landowners are open to selling if the price is right, even if they haven't actively listed their property. Don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box. The more persistent and resourceful you are, the better your chances of finding that diamond in the rough.